A flat sheet lying on the ground does not look revolutionary. It looks ordinary. It looks unfinished. But with a single pull of a string, that flat surface can rise, bend, rotate, and lock itself into a complex three-dimensional structure. No tools, no assembly instructions, no mechanical motors. This is not origami. This is not a clever illusion or a mechanical shortcut. This is a new engineering method developed by researchers at MIT that could fundamentally change how physical structures are designed, transported, and deployed across the world. The breakthrough is known as single-string deployment. It allows a flat arrangement of rigid tiles connected by carefully designed rotating hinges to transform into a predefined 3D shape using just one continuous string. Pull once, and the entire structure assembles itself in a controlled sequence. Release the tension, and it collapses back into a flat form without damage or wear. The true innovation is not the string itself, it is the intelligence behind the design. Engineers created an algorithm that takes a desired three-dimensional object and mathematically unfolds it into a flat pattern. The software then calculates the exact path a single string must follow so that, when pulled, every tile rotates in the correct order, at the correct angle, and with minimal friction or resistance. This precision ensures smooth, predictable deployment using very little force. The structure does not fight the motion, it follows it. This matters because moving three-dimensional objects is expensive. Shipping air costs money, storage takes space, assembly takes time, and complexity introduces failure points. Flat structures eliminate many of these problems at once. One of the most immediate and impactful applications is disaster relief. After earthquakes, floods, or armed conflicts, responders need shelters, clinics, and operational spaces immediately. Traditional tents require setup, modular buildings require tools and trained crews. Time is lost when it matters most. With this system, shelters can be shipped flat in large numbers and deployed on site by pulling a single cord. Field hospitals, emergency command centers, and temporary housing units could be assembled in minutes rather than hours. Speed becomes a built-in feature of the structure itself. In medical settings, scale matters in the opposite direction. At smaller sizes, this technology enables portable medical devices that are easy to carry and quick to deploy. Splints, braces, posture correctors, and support frames can remain flat during transport and expand instantly when needed. This is especially valuable in ambulances, rural clinics, disaster zones, and military medical units where space and time are limited. Furniture is another surprisingly practical example. MIT researchers have already demonstrated a full-scale chair that assembles itself using this method. Lightweight furniture that ships flat and deploys instantly could transform camping equipment, exhibitions, temporary housing, emergency shelters, and compact urban living spaces. Storage becomes simpler, logistics become cheaper, but the most powerful implications appear in robotics. Robots are often constrained by their size during transport. A robot that folds flat can enter narrow openings, collapsed buildings, or confined spaces. Once inside, it can expand into a functional shape capable of movement, lifting, or inspection. This is critical for search and rescue missions, underground exploration, and hazardous environments. The same principle applies to space exploration. Every kilogram sent into orbit has a cost. Flat structures are far more efficient to launch than rigid three-dimensional objects. Using this technique, satellites, antennas, tools, and even future space habitats could be launched compactly and deployed in orbit with a single mechanical action. No motors, no complex joints, fewer points of failure. This research also pushes forward the field of mechanical metamaterials, where motion, strength, and behavior are programmed through geometry rather than electronics. The structure knows how to move because of how it is designed, not because it is controlled. That idea is powerful. It shifts engineering away from complexity and toward elegance, away from many moving parts and toward intelligent structure. This is not just about folding objects, it is about rethinking assembly itself, flat to functional, simple to complex, one pull, one motion, one transformation. If you want to stay updated on the breakthroughs shaping the future of engineering, technology, and science, stay with Dezhn. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support helps us explore the innovations redefining how the physical world is built